Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Jumpstarter 101, what you need to know before you buy. Are you considering purchasing a jump starter but feeling unsure about where to start? Worry not, as we've got you covered. In this video, we will walk you through essential factors to consider when choosing the right jump starter for your needs. Whether you're a novice or an experienced user, understanding these key points will help you make an informed decision and ensure you have a reliable power source on the go. Stay tuned as we dive into the world of jump starters and equip you with the knowledge you need to make the best choice for your vehicle. Understanding jump starters. Jump starters are essential tools that can be a lifesaver in emergencies when your vehicle's battery dies. Let's delve into what jump starters are and how they work. Definition of a jump starter. A jump starter is a portable power source that helps kickstart a vehicle with a dead battery. It serves as an external battery that provides the necessary power to start the engine when your car battery has insufficient charge. Jump starters come in various sizes and power capacities, offering a convenient way to revive your vehicle without the need for another working car or jumper cables. How jump starters work. Jump starters operate by transferring power from their internal battery to the car battery through jumper cables. The cables are connected to the positive and negative terminals of both batteries, creating a circuit that allows the electrical energy to flow from the jump starter to the vehicle's battery. This surge of power boosts the charge in the car battery, providing the necessary energy to start the engine. In essence, jump starters act as a portable jump start solution, ensuring you can get back on the road quickly and safely in case of a battery failure. Remember to recharge your jump starter after use to have it ready for the next emergency. Key features to look for. When considering jump starters, it's crucial to pay attention to the key features that align with your needs. From power capacity to safety features and additional functions, each aspect plays a significant role in the performance and usability of the jump starter. Let's delve into the essential features to look for power capacity. The power capacity of a jump starter determines its ability to start various vehicles. Higher power capacity is vital for larger engines, such as trucks or SUVs, while smaller vehicles may require less power. Opt for a jump starter with sufficient power output to meet your vehicle's needs, ensuring reliable performance when you need it most. Safety features. Safety should always be a top priority when choosing a jump starter. Look for features like reverse polarity protection, overcharge protection, and spark-proof technology to prevent accidents and ensure a secure jump starting process. These safety measures not only protect your vehicle, but also safeguard you from potential hazards. Portability and size. The portability and size of a jump starter can impact its convenience and usability. Compact and lightweight designs are ideal for easy storage and effortless transport. Consider where you'll store the jump starter and how you'll carry it with you to ensure it fits your lifestyle and usage patterns seamlessly. Additional functions, USB ports, lights, etc. While the primary function of a jump starter is to start your vehicle, additional features can enhance its versatility. Look for jump starters with built-in USB ports for charging devices on the go or integrated lights for illuminating dark environments during emergencies. These extra functions can add value to your jump starter and provide added utility in various situations. Types of jump starters. When it comes to jump starters, there are different types available to cater to various needs. Understanding the differences between traditional jump starters and lithium-ion jump starters can help you make an informed decision on which one is best suited for you. Traditional jump starters. Traditional jump starters have been around for a long time and are typically powered by lead-acid batteries. They are reliable and effective in jump-starting vehicles with dead batteries. These jump starters are usually larger and heavier compared to newer lithium-ion jump starters. They are known for their durability and ability to hold a charge for extended periods. Lithium-ion jump starters. Lithium-ion jump starters are more modern and compact compared to traditional jump starters. They use lithium-ion batteries, which are known for being lightweight and portable. These jump starters are easy to carry around and store in your vehicle without taking up much space. Lithium-ion jump starters are also known for their quick charging capabilities and the ability to hold a charge for a long time, making them convenient for emergencies. When choosing between traditional jump starters and lithium-ion jump starters, consider factors such as portability, charging speed, durability, and ease of use to determine which type best suits your needs for jump-starting vehicles. Considerations for different vehicles. When selecting a jump starter, it's crucial to consider the specific needs of your vehicle to ensure effective jump starting and compatibility. Different types of vehicles require specific features in a jump starter for optimal performance. Let's delve into the considerations for various vehicle types, cars and sedans. For cars and sedans, a compact jump starter with sufficient power output is ideal. Look for a model that offers ease of storage in your vehicle and provides enough power to jump-start your car's engine without any hassle. Consider the engine size of your car to determine the necessary power output of the jump starter. Thanks for watching Part 1 of Jump Starter 101. Stay tuned for Part 2, where we'll delve deeper into advanced features, user tips, and recommendations to help you make the best choice for your vehicle's needs. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.